Hey everybody, welcome to Study Cozy. It is me Kavya, and in this video I'm going to take you through how I get back into my productive routine and how I get back on track after being in a rut for so long. For the longest time, I was so lazy. I just used to be in my bed all day, and I used to sleep for 12 hours and do absolutely nothing all day. Even though I had at the back of my mind that I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to study C++, I have to, post a vlog, but I was not doing. The one thing that helped me was to take the small steps at the moment. And that means if you are procrastinating right now, you need to get out of the bed and you need to set a timer and start studying or start the workout or start doing whatever you have been putting off. It was around 5 in the evening when I started studying. I studied for 1 hour, and it all was possible because of this one timer that I set there. I studied for 1 hour and then I went to the gym. After I got back home from the gym, I took a shower and started with my nighttime skincare. I have never really tried skincare before, but this time I'm working with CureSkin to make my skin better and to get rid of the acne and breakouts. CareSkin is an AI based app wherein you have to take a picture of your face and the app detects the skin conditions. These images are then analyzed by the experts. These experts are the dermatologists and they prepare a treatment kit for you. For me, it detected inflammatory acne, comedons, and dark spots from my previous breakouts. My kit had 5 products. The first one was the Gentle Cleanse Face Wash, then the Ceramide Care Cream, and the rest 3 were the topical gels which I have to apply, which will help me clear out my acne and the breakouts. Along with the pictures, the CareSkin app will also ask you questions about your skin, about the products you use, and your daily routines. This will help them to analyze and prepare the most effective treatment kit for you. It is really important to know what products you're using on your face and what is really required for your skin. Since CureSkin is a skincare brand led by experts, I know what I'm using on my face and I can trust the process. I have been using these products for the last 10 days, and just in the first 3 to 4 days, I saw improvements in my skin with the redness and pain of the acne and breakouts. You can use my coupon code KAVYA100 to get discount on your kit. I have provided the link of their app in the description. Make sure you check it out and let me know how it was. It is almost 11 p.m. right now, and after the gym, I'm really tired, but I want to get few more hours of studying done. So I'm going to set a 45-minute timer and start studying. I feel like it's going to be few productive hours now. So I'm hoping to get in 2 hours of studying done. My goal this summer vacation is to polish my skills in coding, because honestly I am not a big fan of coding, but it is very important for engineering. Like, come on, that's the whole point, right? And we will be having our internships in few months and I really need to prepare well for it. So my goal is to do C++ and Python. I have done these languages already, but I need to brush up the macro concepts that I missed on during the lectures. I need to brush them up and practice more of the coding. It is 6:30 and we're going to go on that mountain.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the
Hello.
road.
Hello.
Inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed. Might need a breather, got lost in the B-roll. Let all the wind blow to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on. If we could run it, if we could.
Okay, it is 9:30 right now. After we got back home in the morning, I was really tired because this full week I trained really hard in the gym. I did not take enough rest. It was really high intensity as compared to my usual workouts. So I was really tired, so I slept throughout the afternoon. In the evening, I went out for a run. It was raining, it was sunset, it was cloudy at the same time. It was really good. Then I came home, had my dinner, took a shower, and now I'm finally ready to start studying for the day. I know it is late, but it's okay. I think we can get in 3 to 4 hours of studying done right now. And tomorrow not going to, go out of my house until I'm done with enough studying. Tonight I'm planning on completing templates and exception handling. And then we will just be left with STL, which I can complete tomorrow. After that, I will be starting with everyday practice of these codes so that I get a better grasp at this language. So yes, let's start.
Let's go, grab a cup of coffee, pour it over ice, take it for a walk while we talk about our lives. I just wanna spend some quality time, some quality time. And I don't need a gift, I don't need to know your sign, and we don't need to do something you don't really like. I just wanna spend some quality time, some quality time. But no one ever really cares. gotta say, I swear I got the best intentions, 'cause I'm not really good at saying words, but we can find a way to make it work. What's your favorite kind of movie? It doesn't really matter to me, 'cause I'm down to do whatever is the mood. Just tell me what I can do to make you mine. Baby, I've been trying to...
It is 6:15 almost, and it is raining right now. The weather is amazing. It's time to go to the gym. Look how happy I am. So today is Monday. We're supposed to do chest and shoulders, but I did chest on Saturday as well. Last week's schedule was pretty messed up, so I'm not sure if I will do chest today. Might do back. Let's see. But first I will prepare some coffee and get dressed, and I will see you in the gym. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate that. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, you can subscribe and watch my other videos.